Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about the onProgressUpdate and onPostExecute methods of AsyncTask in Android. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. The onProgressUpdate method is called on the main event thread, so has access to views in the user interface. You can use this method to display progress to the user by updating views on the screen. You define what type of parameters the method should have. The onProgressUpdate method runs if a call to publish progress is made by the doInBackground method like this. This calls the onProgressUpdate method, passing in a value of I. If we are not publishing the progress of our task, so we don't need to implement this method. We will indicate that we are not using any objects for task progress by changing the signature of update drink task. We are not using the onProgressUpdate method, so this is void. The onPreexecute method is called after the background task has finished. It's called on the main event thread, so has access to views in the user interface. You can use this method to present the results of the task to the user. The onPostExecute method gets passed the results of the doInBackground method, so must take parameters that match the doInBackground return type. We are going to use the onPostExecute method to check whether the database code in the doInBackground method ran successfully. If it didn't, we'll display a message to the user. We are doing this in the onPostExecute method as this method can update the user interface. The doInBackground method runs in a background thread, so can't update views. Here's the code. This is boolean as our doInBackground method returns a boolean. Pass the toast the drink activity context. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.